Connecting your phone to your Mercedes-Benz van is easy. Follow our step-by-step guide to enjoy seamless hands-free calls, access to your music library, and so much more. On your iPhone or Android, navigate to the Settings menu and toggle Bluetooth on. Ensure your device is set to Discoverable so your Mercedes-Benz can find it. Next, it's time to connect through your vehicle system. First, select the phone icon, and your vehicle will begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. Then, press the Connect Device button. You also should see the vehicle's MBUX number appear on the Bluetooth screen of your phone. Press this to connect. A 6-digit passkey should then appear on your vehicle's display. Select it, and when the same passkey appears on your phone, press the Pair button to finish pairing your vehicle and your phone. And you're good to go. If you need any further help, contact your Mercedes-Benz dealer.